Hi, I'm Nicole Shecker, working mom of 3, specialist consultant at Direct Hair Implantation, DHI Philippines. We came up with the Hair for Her campaign to send a message to women who suffer from hair loss. And that message is, you have a choice. Many people and brands try to sell beauty and confidence as if they're authority on the matter. And unfortunately, that's a reality that we all have to deal with. Being a modern woman is about owning your own looks, knowing what your options are, and making your own choices. So Hair for Her is our attempt to rewrite the narrative when it comes to female pattern baldness. We want you to know or to emphasize that when you choose to do something to treat your hair loss, it's your own choice. You're doing it for yourself and not because you've been told what to do or made to feel what you should look like in a certain way. You know, it really isn't up to us to say that you should have thicker hair to be more beautiful or having a certain kind of hairline is more pleasing. Also, it's not up to us to say that you should just be happy and accept your reality because some women aren't happy and want to change. Nobody decides these things for you, but you alone. Our job as a medical clinic is to listen to patients who want to make adjustments to their features and making sure that those adjustments are made safely with minimal discomfort and, more importantly, ensure natural looking results all the time. So if your personal idea of beauty involves getting thicker volume or redesigning your hairline, then we're just here to help make that happen for you. If you want to close out the corners, fill in more volume in the middle of your hair, and even out your hairline, you can make that choice. Part of Hair for Her advocacy is educating women about medical solutions for hair loss. There's so many products out there in the market claiming to cure hair loss or even stop baldness, but at the end of the day, alopecia is a medical problem. You have to get medical advice from an expert. Self-diagnosis can actually worsen your problem and even waste your money. Likewise, when finding an expert, it's best to try and discern which ones can convert your ideas into personally tailored plans and which ones lack artistry and care. Be wary of endless subscriptions to hair services that don't properly assess your condition. Instead, invest in high-quality transplant that is based on accurate diagnosis and one that grows with you for the rest of your life. Check if they have a professional website. Visit the clinic. Speak to the staff before you commit to a decision. Just remember, hair transplant is surgery. You only have one scalp, so make sure you get it right the first time.